In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. So simply launch the Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon to take you to your profile page. And you can tell you're in quiet mode because it's going to be right there under your Instagram name. So you can see in quiet mode, and that shows I'm in quiet mode. To turn that off, simply tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Notifications. And that's why you'll see the quiet mode option. So you can see quiet mode right there, tap on that. And then if you want to, you can turn off quiet mode for specific days. So for instance, if I want to turn it off for Wednesday, I can turn it off like that, and maybe even Friday. And I can turn off quiet mode for specific days. But if I want to turn off quiet mode completely, I'll just turn off that toggle button and then confirm by tapping on turn off quiet mode. And that is going to turn off quiet mode completely on my Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.